Imagine biting into a lasagna bolognese that's rich, cheesy, and packed with bold flavors. This is the only lasagna recipe you'll ever need. And the best part? It's crazy simple. Stick around to see the ultimate bite. Want 20 more lasagna recipes? Grab them for free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Here's what you need for the perfect lasagna bolognese. Ground beef, crushed tomatoes, fresh garlic, silky pasta sheets, and of course, lots of cheese. First, finely mince some garlic. This adds a punch of flavor to the sauce. Now sauté oignon in a hot pan until golden. That smell? Incredible already. Add ground beef. Cook it down until beautifully browned. This is where the magic begins. Next, in goes crushed tomatoes, garlic, and a sprinkle of oregano. Let that simmer. This bolognese sauce, pure comfort in a pan. Let's build this lasagna. First, a layer of sauce, then pasta sheets, then creamy bechamel. This sauce makes everything extra silky and rich. And don't hold back on the cheese. We want every bite melty and perfect. Keep layering sauce, pasta, bechamel, cheese until the dish is full. Want even more lasagna recipes? Grab 20 free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Time to bake this beauty to golden perfection. Pop this into the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes. Now we wait, but trust me, it's worth it. Look at that. Bubbly, golden, and smelling amazing. Now this is what we've been waiting for. Cheesy, saucy, and packed with deep, bold flavors. If you love lasagna, you need this recipe in your life. Got a secret lasagna trick? Drop it in the comments. Want to level up your lasagna game? Get 20 free recipes at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Don't miss out. Hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.